All right, let's get the day started. So today, ain't much going on. It's bulk season, so you gotta eat. Also, it's shoulder day. That's coming later on in the video, but I have to go through some clothes because I can't fit them no more. I'm lanky as hell. My clothes is dingy. Time to throw these motherfuckers out and get some new ones. So I'm about to eat. I'm talking to the camera. So I'm about to eat, mess with this dog, and give her a bath, go through some clothes, then we're gonna hit the gym. You wanna say something? And that is it. I will fold these clothes later. But for right now, those are everything that I don't wear, that she's not gonna wear. So that's either Goodwill pile or whatever. But being that I had to get rid of all these clothes, that means a clothing haul or whatever it's called is coming up because I got to go shopping. Now, there's a couple of online places I see that might have some good stuff. Being that I wear mostly gym attire and work clothes, I'm more than likely gonna get some gym stuff. Uh, there's this brand from the boys in Texas, a Better brand. I like some of their stuff, so I might just, you know what I'm saying, get some of what they got. I might get some Gymshark. I might get some Young Gala. I don't know, but and I need some new shoes because these things dead. So I got to get some new shoes. So those is coming up. First, I got size 14 feet. That's abnormal. So in order for me to find shoes, it's going to take a while. Next, we finna hit this gym. Finna do some shoulders, maybe a little bit of cardio. And after that, we're probably gonna call it a day. But tomorrow is the car show I usually go to, Caffeine and Octane. And that's one of the next time y'all gonna see me. So, finna hit the gym. She's getting washed. That's it. You want another outro? Come on. Look at the camera and say, I got put in a headlock and I lost. Hey, hold on. Say, I got put in a headlock and I lost. Say, I got put in a headlock and I lost. There we go. All right. We out. Go to the gym. All right. Gym time. Y'all know what time it is. Already did my stretching or whatever as I was talking to my mama. And excuse the echo. I'm at the gym at the house. I ain't feel like going to my regular gym or I ain't feel like going to the gym at work. So I'm at the little apartment gym. Like I say, show today, maybe a little bit of cardio. I might walk on the treadmill for a little bit. But let's get into it. Now I got the microphone. I might commentate it. I might not. It just depends on how I feel when I edit. But let's see. We'll see. Let's go. Ooh, you're actually gonna control it. Mind muscle connection is serious, folks. Get it together. Jesus. And I got the big ass pump cover on from work. Like I said, all of my clothes is getting ready to go into the bucket. So I don't know. I might take it off. I might not. Cause my wife beater is little too. I used to be able to fit all my clothes, and I can't fit them no more. Cause I'm growing. Oh yeah, and you got to know you got to go up 5 pounds every time you do a set. That's what we're gonna do. Right. Whew. That's it. 20 of them hoes. I decided that I'm not gonna come out the pump covers until I get to where I'm at. Cause I weighed myself. I didn't tell you. I weighed myself, and when I weighed myself, I was 195. And remember when I said in the first video, my goal was 195. But I didn't take into consideration that 195 came so fast. Because before I even started, you know what I'm saying, but 6 videos ago before I started, I was, already working out, doing all that extra stuff. I just never really filmed myself. So I started doing that. But before that, I weighed myself and I was 177. And that was like 8 months ago. 9 months ago? It was at the top of the year, somewhere. But now I weighed myself and I was 195. So if I'm 195 now, so now by my birthday, I need to be 205. Let me see how these 20s feel. Let me see. These 20s. No, they 10s. They 10s. But they look clean though. That's funny. Here we go. Let's get it. Shout out to the person in my comments. I get one of my first comments, and one dude said I'm trying to be like Sam Solik. So yeah, I'm finna be like Sam Solik. I'm finna be a 6'2" black guy with curly hair. The crazy thing is, I just started, and I literally got one comment already saying I'm trying to be like somebody else. Like, damn, it's my first day here. Wait until I get, wait until I get up in the ranks to insult me. Shit. But shout out to the one person that actually helped in the comments. You know why? Because that's what you need to do. Be helpful. All that negativity, man. Get out of here. Get out of here. This time, I'm going to lower the reps and do more. Ooh, let me see. If you do it like this, you work your traps. Angles really matter. Yeah. Let's knock it out. 20. And don't forget to breathe. Ooh, don't forget to breathe. Hold it in your breath. Hurt. Hurt, 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 hurt. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna drop set these hoes. All right, show today done. Gonna walk on the treadmill for about 5 minutes because I do have to walk back to the apartment. So that's part of my cardio too. And I gotta wash my dog, so that's a part of my cardio too. But I'm gonna walk on this thing for 5 minutes, maybe on the incline, maybe not. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go home, wash the dog, drink a protein shake, load up on some creatine, because you know that's what we need. I'll call it a night. Then I'm gonna have to see y'all tomorrow at Caffeine and Octane in the morning. So that being said, I'll see y'all later. Peace. Even though it ain't shit here. I wonder if I drop this motherfucker real quick. Make it more gloomy.
Oh, the 17th, you gotta go to a party.
What? The 17th of what?
December.
What party?
My job's Christmas party.
When's the 17th fall on?
It's gonna be at Lounge CBD Pros.
AKA Johns Creek?
Norcross.
I feel like it's niggas, but I don't know. Huh?
What's that mean?
I feel like a black man did this, but then again, I don't know.
It's waterproof.
Aren't all cars waterproof?
Oh.
I'm glad you got a microphone. I'm glad you got a microphone. Matter of fact,
I didn't think about it.
What's waterproof about this?
This.
Oh, the outside. I'm glad I got that.
No, like the.
That's okay.
I'm saying, you know, the other ones don't really have that much protection. Water. I guess that's what I was trying to say.
Makes sense. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
I like these. These are cute.
Like something I would make.
Oh, this one's cute. Yeah.
Oh, that's all.
That's the best one.
$50.
Probably.
I like the little. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Not bad.
I'm sorry.
I want to say that ain't bad. All right, let's go see if they brought the car out. There go your girlfriend over there.
Where?
They're working at coffee little shop.
Not me saying where.
Exactly. Just gay. See what I mean?
I've never seen. Is this like a long haired bulldog? What in the world?
No, that's a big ass headed dog right there. Oh Lord.
Oh,
what's this crowd over here for?
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
I don't care about them dogs. Look at this supercar right here. I already got a dog. Go ahead. Oh no, you good. Go ahead and go pet him. So Athena could be mad at you. Go ahead.
I pet dogs at work sometimes.
What is that?
Huh?
I ain't never seen a long-haired Frenchie before.
I just said that. That one's long hair too, though. That one I've seen before. That one right there, that's an exotic. I've seen that one. I've never seen one like that.
I've never seen a long-haired Frenchie.
He's cute though.
Like I ain't buying no dog, no extra dog. Why would I need a dog? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
We can get an ABC shoe.
No, it's not. I highly doubt. No, it probably is.
Mm-hmm. I'm hungry.
You're always hungry. Ain't nothing there. But you want some super taco?
I didn't eat enough last night.
What? You didn't eat enough last night?
No, and I woke up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, hungry as fuck.
That's crazy. Who would have thought?
Me.
I would have never thought. Oh shit! I didn't think of that for a day. Me too. It's a little crooked, but that'll be about it. But it wasn't nothing there as usual. But I mean, it is wet.
Looks like Twilight outside.
We don't condone Twilight.
You're from Washington.
My point exactly. Nobody looked like that. You think if there was a vampire back home, he looked like Edward? Hell no. We team Jacob around here. Well, I am at least. So
I was about to say that's you.
team Jacob. That's why I like warm climates and she like cold climates. But anyways, that's it. Fuck niggas. See you later. Say bye.
Bye.